Welcome to J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H8NS162. This is a 2008 Nissan Maxima with a 3.5 liter VQ V6. Really nice and clean oil. Woo! Nice and clean vehicle. Was actually involved in an undercarriage damage. It has some damage on the underbody of the car, but didn't affect the motor or tranny at all. Nice black leather interior. Custom radio. And we've got 159,973 miles. And it looks like it was up for its next oil change at 161,000, so it was within its next scheduled oil change, which is always good to see. Revs up nice and smooth. Also, I wanted to note that this vehicle did drive in well under its own power, had strong forward and reverse, and engaged in first gear just fine. So everything seems fine there as well, and a pretty nice vehicle overall. Thanks again for watching. This has been J&J Auto Wrecking's engine test for H8NS162. Thank you, have a nice day, and as always, God bless America.